Hello! My name is Piggly, and I'm Chiggly, and I'm Wiggly, and we're here with a special edition of Toy Dance Off! So, without further ado, let me announce the contestants, please.
Yes. So the piggies will be down here on the buttons, and we'll show them to you when they stop. Okay. So, and first, we will be showing you the prizes for each person. The first prize, whoever wins first gets this amazing new skateboard.
Who wants a skateboard anyway? Oh, sorry.
Whoever wins second place gets these delicious tips, and whoever wins third gets this piano they can learn to play.
Now that we've shown you all those magnificent gifts, let's go ahead and meet the first set of contestants. Who shall be first?
This will be, I am Towie. I am evil but also good, kind of in the middle. I am good. And also I'm a solo partner. No partner, I'm a solo. Okay, let's wrap up beats.
Oh, breakdancing! She's breakdancing! Alright, let's hear it for Cherry! Yeah! Way to go!
And the crowd goes wild.
Bravo! Bravo! What a contestant!
Okay, I'll be sitting back here.
Okay, next up. Who is next on the agenda? Let's get out our programs, please.
I am Coconut, and I am Tree. I like to be more serious, but that'll be funny. And I like to help Coconut and be friendly as always.
Okay, time to show us what you got, girls.
Okay.
Wow, looks like some gymnastics.
How did you like that?
Magnificent! Let's hear it for them. Yeah!
The crowd is wild again!
Okay, let's go. Who is third? I'll take this one. Who wants to be third on today's agenda?
Handy Mandy and Puppet.
Our famous resident food lover, Handy Mandy, and his beautiful wife, Poppet. Let's go ahead. Let's show them what we got, honey. Are you ready?
1,
go.
2, 3. Look, look.
And a catch. All right, yeah. Oh, we're going?
Yeah, that's what you thought.
Sorry. Come on, sweetie. Let's show them our moves.
Now we are slow dancing. Look.
Oh, romantic. Oh. Love is in the air. Love is in the air.
Okay.
Cool, we did it. Oh, ring your buzzer. All right, so we are getting ready to score. We're getting ready to present our scores.
Okay.
So we'll start at the bottom and go for third place. Third place. The winners are.
Okay. The winners are Coconut and Tree. You may go off.
And
No. That's the one. That's the one. Look, they are a team. Thank you very much. Look, did Coconut and Tree are the winners, and they wanted amazing skateboard.
Oh, girls, give us a few words for the audience out there. How did you do it?
I trained about 10 years, and I've trained in my room every night.
Oh, magnificent. Let's hear it all for coconut, and...
3.
Yay! Way to go, way to go, way to
Yay.
go. And in second place, it's our resident food expert and his lovely wife, Popette. And they get, because we know Handy Manny loves his food,
The tips.
a bowl of delicious gourmet chips.
Now, don't
All right,
even
sweetie.
save some for your wife.
Oh, of course. I'll let you go first because I'm a gentleman. Chivalry is not dead.
Yes.
Okay, and last but not least, third place, you guys gave it your best effort. Oh, that was our solo contestant. And her name again was
Tally.
Cherry. We think you did a really good job. Don't feel bad about making third place because you were all by yourself.
I mean, I love that. You're saying I'm lonely. You're saying I'm lonely.
No, not at all. We're saying you did a fantastic job going solo because that takes more skill than it does to be with a partner. At least that's what us piggies think. Congratulations, Cherry. You did fantastic.
Yay! Okay, go home.
All right, everybody. Now remember, if you like the video,
Leave a like and subscribe on our channel.
thank you.